So, you want to pet an angry cat? Well, aren't you brave? First, locate the cat, usually found glaring at you from a distance. Approach slowly. Remember, you're dealing with a furry ball of fury. Now, extend your hand, cautiously. If the cat hisses, that's your cue to rethink your life choices. But if you're determined, give that fur a gentle stroke. Just be ready to retract your hand like it's on fire. Pro tip: keep the band-aids nearby, because that swipe you're about to get, yeah, you'll feel that. And remember, it's not about winning. It's about surviving the encounter.